Hello everyone, here we will solve the GATE Life Science 2024 question paper and we'll focus on the botany section now. Now let's see the question. This is the question number 61 from the GATE Excel paper. Which of the following combination of plant disease and types of their causal organisms is or are correct? So if we see the option one by one, first one it is given here. It is the lead blight of potato, uh, and with the causal organisms given here vector. So if we see the lead blight of potato is caused by Phytophthora infestans, and this is a fungus and belongs to Umycetes group. So the lead blight of potato caused by bacteria, it is wrong. It is caused by a fungus Phytophthora infestans. If we see the black rot of crucifers, black rot of crucifer is a devastating systematic disease caused by the gram-negative bacterium Xanthomonas campestris. Xanthomonas campestris. So this is the correct combination. Now, if we see that Tungro disease of rice caused by mycoplasma, no, Tungro disease of rice is not caused by mycoplasma, rather it is caused by virus. And the virus involved here it is the rice Tungro bacilliform virus, or it may be rice Tungro spherical virus. And next, root knot of tomato. It is caused by nematode. So if we see the root knot of tomato is caused by the Melidogyne species, which is a nematode, and it is the microscopic soil-borne nematode that severely damage the tomato roots, and they actually form the characteristics galls or that actually resist the water or the nutrient flow. So these combinations is also correct. So if we see the options B and option D is correct combination of this question. Now coming to the next question. This is the question number 62, which states identify the correct combinations of plant natural products and the categories they belongs to. The first combination is given here. It is the durin. It says the phenolic compounds. No, it's not the phenolic compounds. It's belong to the class. Um, uh, it belongs to the class. Rather, we can say they are the cyanogenic glycosides and primary serves as the defensive chemicals. So this is wrong. Farnesin, it belongs to the terpenoids groups, and this is correct combination. If we see naringenin, it belongs to cyanogenic glycoside. No, it is a carbon, or we can say is a polyphenol compound. So this combination is wrong. Now, if you see the next option, that is cysteine, it is alkaloid. Yes, this belongs to the alkaloid group, and it actually derives from Cathanthus roseus, and it also acts as a microtubule inhibitor, and it actually inhibit by binding with the tubulin. So this is also correct. So option B and option D. is the correct combination for this question. Now coming to the next question, that is question number 63. Identify the correct combinations between the enzymes in group 1 and the reactions present in group 2 they catalyze. So group 1 is the name of enzymes and the reactions they catalyze given here in the group 2. We need to find the correct reactions catalyzed by this group 1 enzyme. So if we see the cinnamate 4 hydrolase enzyme, the reactions given here is the L-phenylalanine to cinnamic acids. No, so these reactions is actually catalyzed by the enzyme PAL, that is phenylalanine ammonia lyase. And the cinnamate 4 hydrolase enzymes actually catalyze the reactions, that is cinnamic acids to the 4 paracoumaric acids. So this is not the correct reactions given here. Now if we see the glycerate kinase, the reactions given here is the glycerate 3 phosphate to dihydroxyacetone phosphate, that is DHAP. These reactions actually catalyzed by the enzyme triose phosphate isomerase, not the enzyme glycerate kinase. The glycerate kinase actually catalyze the reaction, that is glycerate to 3-phosphoglycerate. So the reactions given here, it is also wrong. Now, if we see the next PEP carboxylase, the reaction given at glycolate plus O2 uh, is to glyoxylate to is plus H2O2. No, the glycolate plus H2O2, then glyoxylate. These reactions is actually catalyzed by the enzyme glycolate oxidase. And PEP carboxylase actually catalyze the reaction, that is phosphenol pyruvate PEP plus HCO3 minus into oxalic acid. So the combinations given here, it is also wrong. Now if we see the next nitrate reductase, NO3 minus NADPH plus H plus is equal to NO2 minus NADP plus H2. Yes, this is the correct combinations, and nitrate reductase this catalyze these reactions. So the correct combination is only 4. So S matches with 4. So if we see the options, yes, this is option 1 is the correct answer for these questions. So thank you so much for watching.